Call Billy. Hi, I'm Darrell Stafford with Catalysis Additive Tooling.
I'm Billy Nickell, the new production manager here at Catalysis. Right now we're going to go over a new water jet trim fixture that we've just had printed out and finished up here. Usually gets printed in 3 to 4 hours. Darrell, what else can you tell us about these?
Yeah, if you look at these, there's an O-ring that goes around certain areas. There's vacuum holes in here, so this sucks the part down, holds it rigid for the water jet cutting. And on the back side where the water jet spray would hit the tool, we have an aluminum piece here that kind of diffuses the water so it doesn't cut into the tool. Here's our water drainage system, so everywhere around the tool there's these holes. It drains it down back to the reservoir. If you got any tooling applications, call Billy.